course. We have a little gift for you guys.
Fun thing.
We got
a massage too. And some nails for you and your little lady and all that.
Just fun little Christmas stuff.
Thank
in
you.
there. Besides all the other little stuff.
Thank you.
For sure.
Thank you. The gifts that we were able to purchase for for your kids, I believe we shipped those via Amazon. But we just wanted to love on you and tell you how much we appreciate you, and really just wish you guys the best Christmas possible considering the circumstances. Yeah. Thank you. All right. Yeah, that looks fantastic. Or
Stockings, yeah. Stockings were gifted to us from our friend.
we have a gift for you. No doubt it's hard considering the holidays, but just to try to make it feel as much like Christmas as possible. It should help out some for sure. Thank you. The staff again just came together and pitched in to make sure that we could do that for you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. You're welcome.